Let's take a look at how to book your exam. So the first step is to finish your exam provided by your course provider. So if you are one of our students in your online portal, you will see that the exam is 100% complete. So you want to make sure that it is actually at 100% complete. So once you have done that, the next step is to send us an email at support@albertarealestateschool.com and send us your RECA contact ID and let us know that you are now ready for the exam. Once we receive your email, we will then authorize you to take the exam. Once that step is complete from our side, you will then log into your myreca.ca account, click on the Education tab, and scroll down. So prior to this, you should see under the status in progress, and that status will change from in progress to ready for the exam. So this means that now you're able to book the exam. And now you can go to your right-hand side. You can click on Book Final Exam. It will take you to this products page. And this is where you can choose which exam you are booking for. And it will show you the exam here. So this is the first attempt. It'll show you the cost of the exam here as well. Then you will click on the Buy button. At this point, it will ask you for a payment method, and this is where you will select credit card and click on Continue. Then you will click on Add Payment Info, and this is where you can add the details of your card in order to book the exam. So once you have made the payment, it will give you the order confirmation. You click on Complete Transaction. The next step here would be to book your exam. You will click on Book and it will give you the different locations that are available. So in Alberta, we have many different locations. And you can choose the location that works best for you. In Edmonton, we have NATE, and then English Testing Center, and the third one is University of Alberta. You can choose the one that you like, and then they will ask you for 3 dates and times that work best, and it will tell you what date you need to be looking at. So in this case, you would give them an option. It will pull up the calendar. You can choose the date that works best for you. So once you have selected the 3 dates and times that work best, click on Confirm Booking Request. At this point, it will say your booking request has been saved. And then if you click on the details page here, you will see that the booking request is pending. This is where the exam service will get back to you with the dates and times they have selected. So this is where they will reach out to the exam centers and see if those dates and times work for them. And they'll get back to you to either confirm a time that works, or they will say those dates are not available and you will have to make a new selection. So that's how you would go about booking your final exam. If you're a student of ours, you can give us a call for help with booking your exam. Our phone number is 587-936-7779. And if you're not yet a student of ours and you would like to enroll in one of the courses, or you would like to buy any of our practice tests, boot camps, or any other materials that we provide, you can visit our website at www.albertarealestateschool.com, or you can give us a call at 587-936-7779. So that's it for today, and I will see you next time.